Hello, I'm back again. I'm here to teach you how to install and get started with Flutter. I did the installation the other time, so this one actually I'm coming to teach you how to create a new project and fire this project up using Visual Studio Code. So without much ado, let's get started. This is a folder that I created on my desktop. So this folder is found on my desktop. So I want to create a new Flutter project. It's simple. Inside this folder, so what I'll do is on this bar here, I will type cmd, then I'll hit enter to open the command prompt. Then what I'll do next is I will type Flutter create then the name of the project. So Flutter create, let's say, my app. So I want Flutter to create my app, then I'll hit enter. You wait for Flutter to do its magic, but make sure that your internet connection is on. So what does it say? All done. Then I can close this one. I now have my app folder in the folder which I opened. Then I'll double click to open this folder. Inside this folder, what I'll do is I'll also come back to this tab and type cmd once again. Then I'll press my enter. And here what I'll do is I want to fire this Flutter app using Visual Studio Code. So what I'll do is I'll just type code space, then I'll bring my period symbol, and I'll strike my enter key. This will fire Visual Studio app with all the folders necessary for us to run our app. But first, let me remind you, if you have followed the installation procedure correctly, at the right hand side down to these 4 squares, you need to search and install some important plugins which are going to help you to run both your Flutter and your Dart. So what you have to search for is Dart and nothing else. So this one, the first one, I have it installed, so I will not install it again. So if you don't have it, then you click the installed button, then followed by Flutter, which is also this one. I have mine installed, and I'm not going to install it again. Then with this you are done. But if you want a theme for your code editor and nice folders also, what you can search for is this one, Material Dark. Is going to design your code interface nicely for you. And also icon theme, which I'll show you a second. So the icon theme has arranged all my folders here nicely. So these are the things that you need to get started with Flutter. Now what you do is you come back to this lib folder. In this lib folder contains all the necessary things. This sleep folder will run our app itself. All the folders that we will create barely need to fall in this folder. So, and in this main.dat file, which is going to fire our app onto our emulator or our phone. Hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe and also let me know what went wrong and what also went right. I'll be happy to get your thoughts. Bye bye.